Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. It's me, Alibaba, back again from boiling hot Chiang Mai, Thailand. How you doing, everyone? We're here. We're carrying on with this SEO course. And what we're going to look at now is we're going to get into something a bit more in-depth, okay? Now, as I said in some of the previous tutorials, building your website is one of the end things on your list of things to do, okay? First, we need to get the concept of our website. First, we need to get the content of the actual website in the articles or the written part of it, and we also need to get our quality keywords for our website, and we need to do all of that before we actually create our website. It's a lot better way of doing it. Your website will be more stronger, and it gets you in a habit of, you know, actually going down step by step instead of trying to build the website first and then find the content for it. You'll end up going around in circles. I know, I did it for years, okay? Now what I want to talk about is I want to talk about a structure of a website and how it's viewed by people and how it's viewed by search engines. The reason for this is actually a really important step, and this helps a lot when it comes to being ranked in Google and other search engines, and also making your website more user friendly for the customers who are actually coming to your website. Now what we got here is we got a graphic. This took me 8 weeks to make, okay? This is real complex stuff here, okay? But anyway, we got this graphic here, and what it is think of it like a family tree. You got big grandpapa standing at the top here, and then you got his kids, and then you got their kids, and then it goes on and on and on like that. It's like a family tree, okay? I have different levels. The main thing that you have is first is your actual homepage. Your homepage is the main concept of your website. It is the place that holds the main keyword for your actual website, okay? And this is one of the most important pages. I looked at some surveys, and they said that average people spend about 5 to 10 seconds on your website. They, you know, if they like the look of your homepage, if they feel it has the information that they're looking for, then they'll carry on with your homepage and they'll move on through it, okay? So the homepage is one of the most important, and it has to have your main keyword concept to it, okay? Now after the main page comes level 2, okay? As you can see here, level 2. Now your home page has to link to your level 2 pages, okay? And actually it's vice versa as well. Your level 2 pages has to link. Wait a minute, I got a graphic here. Your home page, there we go. We got some stuff happening. The home page has to link to level 2 pages, and your level 2 pages has to link back to your home page and the sub levels of its level 3 pages, but we'll get into that in a sec, okay? Now the level 2 pages, I would say, are one of the most important pages on your website. Generally you have 5 to 15 level 2 pages. You don't want too many, otherwise it makes your navigation on your website look too messy. Now I reckon level 2 pages are one of the most important pages on your website, okay? If you were to run campaigns like Google AdSense, or you were to have affiliate products, you would definitely want to have them on your level 2 pages. The pay-per-click value of your level 2 page Google AdSense will generate you a higher income than, let's say, something like a level 3. Now this can be because spiders find level 2 pages a lot easier, and level 2 pages generally link to the home page and link to the subcategory level 3 pages, which means that they generally get ranked higher inside of Google. So this is the place that you want to be putting your Google AdSense. This is the place that you want to be putting your affiliate products and having your main quality keyword, okay? So each one has to have one keyword about it. So let's say we got coffee cake recipe. Let's say this link here, this level 2 page, was about blueberry cake recipe, coffee cake recipes. That's all it can be about. The whole of this page is about one keyword. So this whole of this page would be about blueberry coffee cake recipes. The next level 2 page would be about chocolate cake recipes, etc., etc., okay? Do not mix them. Do not put blueberry in with chocolate. Make it have its own level 2, okay? So level 2s are really important because they, you know, they send links up and down the actual structure, and this is the place that you want to generate your income from. Next comes level 3 pages. Now level 3 pages might not generate you as much income or be as profitable as the level 2 pages, but what they do is they generate you more traffic. Okay, again, generally per level 2, when you come down to the level 3, you have 5 to 15 level 3s connected to that level 2. Okay, now these generate traffic, these generate you more volume to your website because they have more content in them. But if you're looking to generate more money, then these aren't as good as the actual level 2 level structure. Now all level 3 should be linked back to the level 2 and the level 1. So the actual should be linked back to that, and it should be linked back to level 2. Okay, so this is the structure of it. Your home page links to your level 2 pages, your level 2 pages link to your home page and to your actual level 3 pages, and your level 3 pages need to link back to your level 2 pages and back to your actual home page. Okay, this is really important. Each level 3 page needs to be the subcategory of that level 2 page. Okay, so for instance, we said this was going to be blueberry coffee cake recipes. Okay, this level 3 page has to be a subcategory of the blueberry coffee cake recipe. So it could be a blueberry coffee cake recipe book. You could have blueberry coffee recipe videos. Cool. It's quite hard to say really fast actually. So they need to be a subcategory of the actual level 2. Okay, so the whole concept is on your whole website, every level, it has to be a keyword focused content. The home page is the main content of your website. So in our case, the coffee cake recipe comes from the main focus of the home page. Your website shouldn't go more than 3 levels. Any more than 3 levels will confuse the spider bots, and it will generally, anything lower than that, those pages don't actually get ranked. So if you wanted to make your website more big, it's better to go outwards than it is downwards. The more depth it has, the less likely those pages are going to be searched. So the better thing is to have more level 2 pages than actually make level 4, level 5, level 6 pages. Okay, so my main concept of my whole website is coffee cake recipes. You cannot go off topic. Okay, so your whole website concept has to be about coffee cake recipes. Like I said before, there's no point in putting in other levels stuff about car engines. Save that for another website. Build another website on car engines. The whole concept, the way to get highly ranked, the way to have good SEO is to have the whole concept to be the whole website. So coffee cake recipes has to be the whole concept of this website. So I sort of hope you get an understanding of what we're doing here, this tier structure. You know, basically don't go any lower than level 3 because you'll get them harder to get found. And also level 2, these are your main quality content keywords. Okay, so if you have, let's say, 10 quality content keywords which are like links, like level links, then this is the places that they go, and level 3 is the subcategory of level 2. So that's it for this tutorial. I probably made you completely insane. You're probably thinking, what are you talking about? But have a listen again. If you get a problem, have a listen again. This is quite an important step. Okay, in the next tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to start getting ourselves ready and get some articles, get our website basically built without building it, and we can get ready and we can start getting into proper content in your web pages and to start making you get more highly ranked. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next one-stop tutorials. Laters.